I am very much addicted in mobile phone. Sometimes I have spent my 8 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours also in mobile phone. But nowadays I am trying to stick with English so that I shift myself from mobile to various types of newspaper, watching Al Jazeera, CNN or such type of things, and watching different type of English documentary. I believe that this will help me in my journey. Especially nowadays I am trying to read various types of English newspaper. In Bangladesh there are many English newspapers like Daily Star, the Business Standard, the New Nation, New Age, Asian Age, such type of newspaper. But among them I like Daily Star most, because their headline, they are very catchy, and in their headline they are using this language appropriately. So I like this type of things. And not only this, but also sometimes I see that different type of English documentary, and their thumbnail, their title, everything attract me. So I try to learn from this type of things. And not only this, but also sometimes I try to listen some English podcast also. This will also help me a lot. At the very beginning, I could not understand the native speaker's accent, because you know that the American accent and British accent, they are quite different than our Indian subcontinental. So that's why I start watching Al Jazeera. I think Al Jazeera is quite similar to our Indian subcontinent, as they are from Middle East. I think I continue for 15 days and 20 days. Then nowadays I can understand little by little. So nowadays I also try to watch BBC, CNN, and sometimes Deutsche Welle. So I can now understand. So if you also try to watch such type of things, or if you also start following this type of things, then I think you also can learn something new, and you will be also able to understand the native speakers accent. First of all, I again suggest you that don't start with BBC, CNN or Sky News, Fox News. First of all, you have to start with Al Jazeera. Then little by little you can go through the native speakers accent, and after a certain time I think you also able to speak with their accent. But first of all, you need to understand this language. You need to be fluent in English speaking. Then you can also use their accent. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that you are watching this video.